Good morning friends. Today I will be telling you how to prepare kitchen waste compost, the best method of kitchen waste compost so far uploaded in YouTube video. This is you have to take some kitchen waste, 2 to 3 days kitchen waste we can pile up stock and then you can use it, or every day you can use. And next you have to take some earthen pot or terracotta pot, around 10 each pot would be enough. Next you have to take cow dung compost, around half kilo cow dung compost, and next jaggery or gur, and you have to take some water for it. And I am telling you how to prepare it properly. Before making it preparation, just make it small pieces, as small as possible, because smaller the pieces the faster would be the composting process. So I am sharing it properly and tearing it properly for small pieces of whatever the kitchen waste we have. You can use it, but don't use any animal product, fish, meat or egg. No product, no animal product you should use. You should use only the plant products. And here the some peels of fruits, some banana, any kind of fruit peels or any kinds of vegetable peels you can use it here. Even you can use some of the onion peels or any kinds of peel, that would be nice. And any waste of the kitchen is just make it small pieces, and that would be nice for preparation. And it will take around 25 days for full preparation of compost in this process. Now the next process is, this is the cow dung compost, and I have to use some of the jaggery or gur, and around half a kilo would be enough for your total preparation. And this is 2 teaspoonful of jaggery or gur. This is the cane jaggery, and I have to dissolve it properly in water. So I am applying some water to dissolve it. Just see how I am doing. Just follow the entire procedure and there will be nice compost of kitchen waste compost, beautiful kitchen waste compost. Now I am dissolving it properly, and after dissolving it you have to mix it with the cow dung compost. I am showing you how to mix it with cow dung compost, and this is the water I am applying here, and moist it properly and mix it with this cow dung compost. And after mixing it cow dung compost, divide it in two parts. One part I will be mixing with this shredded, this kitchen compost, kitchen waste. So this is the 50% I am using here, and 50% I will keep it aside. And now mix it properly with all the vegetable remains of your, and mix it properly so that the composting process would be nice and very fast composting process. You can see here. Now the next process I am telling you how to do it. You have to take some earthen pots here, and there should be hole at the bottom, and that should be around 10 each pot, and side bottom is hole is also there. And you keep it in upper 2 bricks, and there should be a gap between the 2 bricks so that the hole should be at the open. And now I am filling it up with this kitchen waste mixed with this compost. And this is the nice and the best method ever for kitchen waste, making compost of kitchen waste. Fill it up properly, and after filling it up I will apply those compost that I have kept aside for covering it properly. So this is, I am filling it up properly, and you can fill it up in every 2 to 3 days for 3 or 4 cycles. Now I will apply at the top this remains of this compost at the top portion. So this is the total procedure of making. Now what you do is you have to cover it with another pot, but that pot should also have some hole. And this is the earthen pot, there should be hole at the top because the gas must escape from here. And this is the, but before that I'll, very important thing, you have to cover with a mosquito net or finely meshed cloth you can use, and so as to prevent them from insects from laying eggs in that, so as to prevent any insect from entering there for laying eggs. And now please watch it carefully because this is very important step. Now cover it with this earthen pot. So this is the whole procedure, and you can repeat the process every 2 to 3 days, and 4 to 5 days times you can add here the compost materials, that is the remains of these vegetables. Now after 2 days I am doing the same process again. I have collected some of the vegetable waste from a kitchen. Now applying with the same compost with some jaggery water and mixing it up properly and making it two parts. One part I will be mixing with this kitchen waste and one part I will remain as such, and now I will mixing it properly, and after mixing it I am filling it up again. So you can repeat it 2 to 3 times. Now I am covering with same of the compost, and now replacing the net again and covering with the same pot. So this is the whole procedure. Welcome back friends, after 25 days now the process is over, and I am showing the time to show the results here. Now I am uncovering it with removing the pot here. You see this compost is settled down at the bottom, and now I am removing the net from here. So this is the final product after 25 days, and if the process you have 2 to 3 times, then they may take a longer time. So this is the compost, beautiful compost, and this is the finest results ever on YouTube. This is the best method of making compost. Now I am upturn it. I am collecting this compost from here. I am showing the compost, what are the portion of compost I am collecting from the bases. This is the compost you see, and now time to sieve it properly for collecting the final material, and the post material I will give it back to this compost bin. And now I am sieving it properly. See, just mash it with your hands and just sieve it properly, and you can get the best quality compost. Lots of NPK, full of nitrogen, lots of micronutrients and potash, beautiful. And whenever whichever plant you apply, be it a vegetable plant, flowering plants, they will bloom, and beautiful flowering and fruiting you can get with this compost. And you don't have to throw away any of the kitchen waste. And from here I am smashing it properly, now sieving it and collecting the compost, and readily you can use in your pot, flowering plant, fruiting plant, foliage plant, any kind of plants you can use it. And this is a fine, and you see I have collected, and the coarse material that I have collected I will again put back it in compost bin and repeat the same process. And from this compost you keep it around half kilo or 1 kilo, you keep it aside for preparation of the fresh vegetable compost you can prepare from here. So this is the total compost I am collecting from here, and you see the best method. In 25 days only all the materials are compost, and now I am filling it back the coarse material. In within 10 to 15 days they will be again you can get compost from here. You can add fresh materials here also, so that you can get in 15 days or 20 days again lots of compost you can get from here. So this is the procedure. Now this is the collection, and this is the best compost ever for kitchen waste compost. Lots of micronutrients, phosphorus, potash and NPK, full of nutrients. So this is the best method for preparation of the compost or from the kitchen waste. I will be telling you some of the important steps you must keep in your mind before preparation of this best quality of compost. So whenever you are making any compost, use only the plant material. Don't use any of the animal product, be it a fish or meat or egg, anything. Don't use any animal product. So this is the compost based for the animal product. And whenever you are making compost bin, you use any earthen or the terracotta pot or the clay pot, that is the fine, and the bigger would be the better. And always use net to cover it, so as to prevent any insect from laying eggs here. If the insects lay eggs, the composting process would be jeopardized, and your compost would be full of insects and larvae. So this is the important method for growing compost, and in 2 to 3 days you can upturn it and sprinkle little bit of water. So this is the whole procedure, and you keep it in under full sun and cover it, and there should be hole at the, if you are covering with any material, there should be hole for escaping gas from here. So there is no odor, no smell, no bad smell, anything. So this is the best method of making compost from kitchen waste. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please share. Please visit again in my channel. Please subscribe my channel. I am giving you lots of gardening tips and tricks and all. Please do it in your house and leave your comments in your comment section below. So what is your experience? Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.